Also receiving a police panic alarm and witness is getting around.
Yeah, getting a panic alarm too.
Roll back to service and quick section. I think a 366 now.
We're going to 11,904.
Yeah, I know pretty much right where it is. I've been at a house before.
Engine 29 on the scene. Nothing showing from the street location. We're not able to access the property at this time. It is down a dirt path. Engine 29 officer has command. Division A will advise the conditions once reaching the property.
Let's go, people.
Officer meeting with a resident. All units can cancel. Engine 29 will remain on the scene. Resident hit the alarm by accident. Headquarters, if you can get in touch with Wake FDO, Sheriff's Office, they can cancel also. Raleigh copies. I'll let them know.
Just gonna call for the info.
Yeah, I'll see here. I got all of it on here. I got the phone number and everything.
Tanker 366 in service. Headquarters on Box 1. The resident is, if you need information for Sheriff, is elderly gentleman, Mr. Bat. The owner, Mr. Bat.
Can you drive around the firehouse and turn around?
Yeah, do it.
Good on.
We go to this entrance down here and take you back.
Going the wrong way.
Tiller ladder.
It's gone.